how to log in to Telegram with email, or how to sign up to Telegram using your email. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Vipin Basnet, and today I'll show you on how you can log in to Telegram with your email. Now you want to simply open up your Telegram. Once you open it up, you should get an interface like this, right? The world's fastest messaging app. As you can see on the screen, if you swipe, you'll get to see various options. If you at the bottom, you can see start messaging option that will ask you to tap on. You want to simply tap on start messaging option. Now here you can see it shows only your phone number. Now you'll need to have phone number in order to log in or create new Telegram account. You won't be able to do so with email. So you want to simply tap on country and choose your country. You can choose it from the search bar by searching it, and then you want to enter in your phone number. Once you enter in your phone number, what you want to do is you want to simply tap on the arrow icon or the next icon, and then simply tap on yes. Once you make sure that your number is correct, and it'll send you a verification code. Once you go through the verification process, you'll be able to create a new account, or your account will be logged in directly and it'll be signed up. So this way you can create or log in to Telegram. You cannot do it whatsoever with email. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.